Finally, your wish to work in Japan has come true, and you just received the offer letter from your company. As you'll soon start to work in one of the most expensive countries of the world, and you are worried about some of the salary components that are described on your offer letter as performance-based or workload-based, and it makes it hard to estimate how much those components will contribute to your monthly salary. Is it making you wonder whether your salary will be enough for you to work in a country like Japan? Well, don't worry. In this video, we will understand those components in detail and how much those components will contribute to your monthly salary. If you were thinking that your monthly salary is just going to be same as your base salary printed on your offer letter, well, you're wrong, and that's not actually the case. And considering the high expenditure cost in Japan, it won't be enough also. Then what is it? Okay, so let's understand it. So the salary is composed of two main components. One is base salary and other is variable component. Base salary is fixed for entire year and is incremented each year based on company policies. Variable salary depends on company performance as well as individual performance and also on the workload. So let's understand the variable components more in detail. It is composed of first, overtime payment, second is performance bonus which is provided twice a year, and the third is additional perks. Well, some of you now might be wondering why these are not described on your offer letter. Well, it depends on type of your employment. If you are a permanent employee of Japan branch, then you will be eligible to receive all three components. But if you are a third-party employee, then you are only eligible for the overtime payment. There is no bonus and special perks for you. And if you are a short-term exchange employee, then you're not eligible for any of those. Sad. Okay, so now let's understand each component in detail. So first is overtime payment. This is the payment for the number of extra hours you work over the normal 8-hour work, or you work on holidays, or you're working at night. Some companies also pay a fixed amount of hours, not depending on the actual worked hours. So calculation is very easy. It is number of overtime hours into per hour fee. On average in Japan, monthly overtime is around 15 hours. Next is bonus. This is a very big component for permanent employees and depends totally on the company performance and on individual performance. Is this the reason why people work so hard in Japan? Well, in a year, bonus is equal to 4 to 6 times of monthly basic salary. Next is extra perks. This is a very small component of the salary. Again, only for the permanent type of employment. Some big companies provide their employees shopping points worth of 70,000 to 100,000 yen in a year. Or some companies take their employees to travel trips once or twice in a year. Okay, so let's do some calculation and understand them more in detail. Let's assume your monthly base salary as 300k. Then per hour fee can be calculated roughly as base salary divided by number of working days divided by 8 hours. That's the normal actual working hours. Normally overtime rate is 1.25 times of your per hour rate. So if overtime rate is 2000 per hour, then overtime pay on average is gonna be roughly around 30,000 yen a month. Bonus can be calculated as base salary into 4 to 6 times of your monthly salary. So let's consider the minimum case of 4 months. Then your yearly bonus will be around 1.2 million yen, which makes it around 100k yen a month as your bonus. And extra perks are equal to 8,000 yen a month. So total variable salary is overtime payment plus bonus plus perks, which brings it equal to 138k. And your base salary is assumed as 300k. So variable salary plus base salary makes it your total average monthly salary, which is around 438,000 yen as per our rough calculation. Isn't it great? Let me know if you have any comments or question regarding this. Please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram at @mortaljapan. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.